Ang tabis.
Ay, kakulay pa ng Oilers. Ang ganda. Sana manalo Oilers mamaya. Get turtle! Turtle!
Turtle.
Ate, tingnan mo ito nakaano mo. Dandan ka ate. Biglang umaano yan.
Wow! Kiddo!
Okay.
Nakakaabot.
Yung lakad lang. Oh, Brice, are you gonna buy that?
Do you like the pink one or the red one?
Big one.
Bilin mo yung kinuha niya. Si Morning Glory. We're gonna buy that, the Morning Glory thing.